Girl, do you have a headband wig in your wig collection? If not, watch this video. I'm going to tell you all the reasons why you need to get you a headband wig. Don't sleep on it, because I was. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm bringing you a review on this headband wig from Unice Hair on Amazon. For the best relaxed hair tricks and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe and click it, subscribe and click it. Also, follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle inspiration. So today I'm sharing with you this headband wig from Unice Hair. And Unice Hair is no stranger on this channel. I've done wig reviews on Unice Hair before, so check those out. So I want to give a big thanks to Unice Hair for sending me this beautiful headband wig. So thanks, Unice. Listen. Unice has been trying to send me a headband wig for a good minute, and I was just like, nah, I don't really see the need. I don't want a headband wig. But when I say, girl, shook, impressed, like feeling dumb, like, Sharon, why did you take so long to hop on this trend and try a headband wig? Let's get into why I know you need a headband wig, especially for this summer. And look at these curls. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the wig came in this box. It also came with a wig cap, and it also came with the wig and 2 headbands. So I thought that was good, because I was thinking, hold up, Sharon, you don't have a headband to wear with your headband wig. But I love that they provide you with headbands and 2 styles of headbands. We need options. A girl love her options. Okay, so let's get into the specs of this wig. This wig is the Unice Hair Water Wave Headband Wig, Human Hair, Glueless Wig, Non-Lace Front Wig, Brazilian Virgin Hair, Natural Color for Black Women, 50%, Density 18 inches. So that is the title of the hair, and those are the specs of the hair. Also, all the information is down in the description box below, the link to the wig, as well as links to other popular wigs from Unice Hair. Okay, so the wig is $102.50. That's what it says on the Amazon. This wig is from Unice Hair, but on Amazon. So the great thing about that you're able to get your wig in 2 days. That is great, because who wants to wait 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever for your wig? You can get it in 2 days, so that is a plus. So let's talk about, is this wig worth it or not? Should you get this wig? Honestly, my first impression of the wig was I wasn't impressed. I was like, okay, water wave. It was like very crimpy, kind of like a crimpy curl, with a lot of different strands of curls. I don't even know how to explain it. It just wasn't a curl you wanted. It wasn't like a juicy S curl type of pattern. I don't know, it just didn't look good. It just looked real crunchy, and it wasn't a good curl. It was like a crimp curl, if that makes sense. Of course, I always wash my wigs, well, not wash, co-wash my wigs before I put them on my head, just for hygiene purposes. I just want to make sure the wig is clean before I put it on me. So I co-washed my hair, and when the water got all in the hair, and then I added my conditioner, and I got my paddle brush out, and I started brushing. The hair came to life, and I knew that it would, because usually with curly hair, the state it comes in, like before you wash it, is usually different, and then after you co-wash it, the hair is more vibrant, bouncy, juicy curls, and that's what I wanted. So I got that when I co-washed my hair. So don't worry if you get the hair and you're like, ugh, co-wash it, brush it out, let it dry, it will look good. I co-washed my hair, and then I added conditioner to the hair, and I went through with the paddle brush. I left that in as a styler, and then I let the hair air dry. So my wig is dry. This is what the hair is looking like. Look at that. Look at those curls. Look at the waves. Like, oh my gosh. When I say summer hair, summertime fine hair. And now, I mean, we're here. We're here. So in the beginning, it was a no, and now it is a yes. This hair was so easy to put on and install, like literally 5 seconds. It was like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Like, my wig was on my head. I've never put on a wig or some form of extensions this quickly. Is that it? Like, is that it? Am I done? Like, that's the quickest wig application. Like, is she done? Like, that's it? Super easy to put it on your head. I literally just flip my head over, put it on, and we were done. Anybody can do it. Very beginner friendly. If you've never tried a wig, if you are scared of wigs, you just don't know about wigs, this is a great beginner wig. Like, definitely try out the Headband Wig. You can't go wrong. It's quicker than my U-part wig. It's quicker than my clip-ins. So, I mean, I love anything easy and convenient, and this is it. Okay, so let's talk about the construction of the wig. It's your standard wig. It just doesn't have the lace. So there's 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the front middle, and a comb in the back. It also comes with adjustable straps, so you can adjust the fit of the wig so it can fit your head. So the actual band of the wig has Velcro to secure your hair even more, so your hair isn't going anywhere. Okay, so does the hair shed? I did see a few hairs, a few strands of hair, but not a lot. So does the hair shed? I'm gonna say no, not really. A couple of strands, but nothing serious. Also, tangling, I really can't speak on tangling because I literally, this is like, I've had on the wig for 30 minutes, if that. So I can't tell you about tangling. It didn't tangle. As I co-washed my hair, the paddle brush just went through the hair very easily. No tangles, no knots. So no tangling as of right now. The hair is very soft. It has its own natural shine to it, so it looks very healthy. I love that it's thick from root to tips, so your ends aren't dry or processed, and they're not thin and raggedy. So I love that. Very healthy ends. What else can I say? Smell, there was no smell. I hate smells. A smell just turns me off of a wig completely. Like, I don't want it if it has a smell. I mean, the wig is a yes. It's a yes, sis. It's a yes, lovies. Like, go get you a headband wig. And did I say affordable? For $102, this hair, the quality of this hair is great. I'm excited about it. Like this water wave, I love the curl pattern of it, the texture of it, and the great thing is this hair is real, so you can put heat on it, so you can flat iron it, you can make the hair straight, and you can also dye the hair. What else do you want out of a wig? You don't have to worry about lace, So I love that. I have been like not loving wigs lately because I want to look natural. I want to have my scalp out, but sometimes you do need to protective style. You need to protect your hair. So this headband wig allows me to do a protective style, but I also get a natural look. I'm giving you real natural, effortless, that gorgeous girl across the street vibes. I'm giving you that cute neighbor. That's what I'm giving you. I mean, what else could you want? So I have beautiful hair. I got my edges out, so I'm giving you realness. I'm giving you some realness. But I have a wig on. Like, girl, I dress it up, dress it down, depending on what headband you want to wear. You can do that with your accessories and your outfit. I mean, it's a win-win. To me to still try to have a side part with the headband wig, because your girl loves a good side part. This look crazy, or can I pull this off? Super cute. I love it with my headband as well. This is the perfect summer hair. I love a good curly wig, curly extensions, curly hair for summer, because you could just wake up, wet it a little bit with a paddle brush, put a little conditioner in it, scrunch, 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 and you out the door, you looking good, very effortless, very summertime, fabulous. Like, yes. This is like giving you summer, spring, but it's giving you summer. I got my little floral headband. It's baby blue. This wig is great for errands. This wig is going to be great for working out. Put it up in a ponytail. Like, put it up in a pony and work out. Ugh, it's so many options. So many possibilities. I'm just really in awe, and I keep thinking to myself, Sharon, why did it take you so long to try a headband wig? I just couldn't see the need why you would want a wig and put a headband on it. To me, it defeats the purpose, because a wig makes you more glamorous, you know. And I kept saying, but why would you want a headband wig? It just makes the wig casual. Like, why do you need a headband? Just put your regular wig on, put a cap on. Or you can still put a headband on a regular wig. But sis, I ain't get it, and now I got it, and I hope you get it. So, I am loving this wig. Like, I'm loving it. Okay, lovey, so those are my thoughts on this beautiful water wave headband wig from Unice Hair. Comment down below and let me know if you own a headband wig and if you are loving your headband wig as much as I do. Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it.